If you are tired of being at work all day or just sick of being stuck at home, then it's time to try the new ShotLab split jump effect. Let's jump in and see what it's all about. First, select the 3K100 360 recording mode. This effect works for both ONE R and the ONE X2. Mount your camera on your selfie stick and extend it to the full length. Hold your selfie stick and move it backwards as you jump. Good exercise. Record in multiple locations and remember to keep the same direction each time you jump. Shooting's done, now it's time to go over to the ShotLab templates over in the app to edit. Tap Stories, ShotLab, Split Jump, tap to use this theme and select your clips. Make sure that you don't exit the app whilst the AI is analysing your footage. Select your finished shot, export and share it. This one's easy, all you need to do is jump and go. So now it's your turn. Make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with the latest tips and tricks over here at ShotLab. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you for the next one.